Hi, this is Indranil and you are watching Business Bites on our channel, The Spotlight Beyond Profession, India's first online business news channel. In today's Business Bites, first news we have logistic firm ShadowFax raising funds of $50 million and will double up valuation at $700 million. Second news we have Edtech firm UpGrad raised $60 million of funds. Third news we have Sterling and Wilson hypes of data center engineering and construction business. Fourth news we have early stage investor Titan Capital raised new opportunity fund of 333 crore. And fifth news we have solar module manufacturer Waaree Energy's IPO launched to raise 3,600 crore. In first news, Flipkart-backed hyperlocal logistics startup ShadowFax to raise 350 to 400 crore funds in their recent round of funding. The Bangalore-based logistic firm ShadowFax has raised $100 million in the last February this year and was at a valuation of $350 million. After this pre-IPO round funding with around $50 million, the company valuation will be doubled up at $700 million. The company is specialized in quick commerce and same-day e-commerce deliveries, which kind of services is at the highest level of peak at this point of time. This increase in the funding round may also experience some investors' part sale stake, and both new and existing investors will participate in this fresh round of funding. In second news, Edtech firm UpGrad raised $60 million funds. Higher education and upskilling startup UpGrad, founded by Mr. Ronnie Screwvala, is presently having a valuation of $2.25 billion. Mr. Ronnie Screwvala is a serial entrepreneur who previously started UTV and now owns 45% stake in UpGrad. He is playing a major and bigger role in UpGrad after the recent exit of his co-founder Mr. Mayank Kumar. The company is also planning to launch their IPO within 2 years' time. As Mr. Ronnie Screwvala is raising his stake further in UpGrad, which gives an indication and his commitment with recent changes and with more hands-on role he is going to play in keeping the company forward. In third news, Sterling and Wilson has hived off its data center engineering and construction business into a separate entity. Sterling and Wilson has raised 1,000 crore funds from its promoter Mr. Khurshid Daruwala and other investors to execute order book and to fund overseas expansion. Sterling and Wilson is Shapurji Palonji Group company where Daruwala and his family owns 30% stake in the new data center entity. And with the rapid growth in the data center market globally, they made this business into a dedicated entity, fully capitalized and singularly focused on growing as a leadership position in data center industry. Over the last 8 years, Sterling and Wilson has built 25 data centers with 63 megawatt capacity across India, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Morocco, Congo, and Angola. Currently, the company is setting up a data center of 90 megawatt for a hyperscaler and 60 megawatt for a co-location platform in India. The data center EPC, that is Engineering, Procurement and Construction Division, was a 100% business unit of Sterling and Wilson, and it was a debt-free and profitable business with a revenue of 460 crore, and the new company has instituted last week after receiving all the required approvals. In fourth news, early stage investor firm Titan Capital has raised 330 crore of fresh funds in recent round. Titan Capital, which is led by Snapdeal co-founders Kunal Bahl and Rohit Bansal, who typically invests in startups at a seed or pre-seed stage, made an initial closure of fund with 200 crore and that they are raising further. This is for the first time Titan Capital has raised external funds, and so far the investments were made from Kunal Bahl and Rohit Bansal's personal capital, and the new fund will be utilized with around 20 companies with an average check size of 15 crore. Till time, Titan Capital has backed over 280 startups since 2011, which includes successful businesses like Mamaearth, Razorpay, Urban Company, Ola, and ShadowFax. And in fifth news, Waaree Energy's IPO launched today with 4,321 crore. Waaree Energies is India's largest solar photovoltaic modules manufacturer, and they are planning to raise 3,600 crore through fresh equity to part fund a new manufacturing facility and up to 721 crore through an offer for sale. The Mumbai-based company has started in 2007 and currently having 12 gigawatt of aggregate installed capacity, and it manufactures a variety of PV modules and having 4 manufacturing facilities spread across Gujarat and UP. The company has registered a revenue of 11,397.6 crore with net profit of 1,274.4 crore with an EBITDA of 15.6%. Presently, the promoter of Waaree Energy is holding a stake of 71.8%, and that will be reduced to 64.3% after the IPO. So these were the top 5 business news from Business Bytes in our channel, The Spotlight Beyond Profession, India's first online business news channel. So thank you very much for watching Business Bytes and signing it off.